Hey guys, what's up? As you can tell from the title, today we have the off-white Prestos. Before I start this video, I want to tell you guys where I got these shoes. This video is a sponsored review, but I'm going to give you guys an honest review. It is sponsored, like I said, but honest review. I do have my Instagram below. If you guys have any questions, you can comment down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Same with my Instagram. If you have any business inquiries, more sponsorship ideas, replica reviews, stuff like that, make sure you go hit my Instagram down below. These shoes are from BestShoesStore. Most of the shoes are under $200. They have really good replica sneakers. They come in about 8 to 12 days, somewhere around there. Do recommend them, guys. I have their Gmail, their website, their WhatsApp, their Instagram. I got everything in the description, so make sure you guys go check them out. Would it really help me out too? I also have a discount code in the description, so it'd help me out and it'd save you money. Thanks, guys. And I'm going to switch the view and then we're going to get into it. Roll the intro. Alright guys, I got the shoes right here. Just like I said before, they came in about 9 days. They are very good quality. You go check out that. I already did open them, as you can see from this side. So that's how I know they're good quality, but we're just going to close this up. Alright guys, we got the shoes right here. They are double box, which is good. Just give you all 360 at the box. Got the off-white lettering. I know my channel really likes off-white. Most of my shoes on here are off-white. Off-white Presto. Nothing too big damages, just a little bit of creases, nothing too big. Got these, little bump right there. Honestly, really good quality. Okay, as I open them, you have the upside down Nike, how it's supposed to be. Also have the Nike swoosh, like reflective. And we got this Nike thing. They come with most of my reps. It's just all in Chinese lettering. I don't know. I have the StockX paper. Got a StockX tag on these guys. Probably be in here. We're just gonna pull out one shoe. Pull out two shoe. Okay, so here is, they do have the new StockX tag with the circle and the reflective StockX QR code, which is good. That's cool. And they have the StockX paper, or sticker, my bad. Already showed you guys the paper. Okay, we have the black laces on here. We got the orange laces that say shoelaces on them, and the blue laces. Move this box over. It does have the YDM sticker. Here's the paper if you guys want to see it. There is 2 layers. This is the main off-white paper right there. Move this in. Alright guys. Got the shoes right here. It does have this little made in China right there. I'm just going to do a little 360. Not too much of a fan of off-white Prestos, but these are very good quality. A lot of the viewers were asking for these. Take the paper out. There we got the size tag right there. Size 13. And we got the size tag on this one too. Whoa. There you go. The air on the thing, it is Velcro, as you can tell. We got the off-white lettering. There's Nike. There's the bottoms. We got the off-white on the inside. And we got off-white on the inside on this one. Does say like Duralon on the side of that. But overall, really good quality shoes. And on the bad quality fakes, it would be the same material, but on this, it's very good. So this side's supposed to be like shiny and glossy, and this side will be more matte. I don't know really how to explain it, but yeah, looks really good. Got the little symbol in here. Shoes look really good overall. Next, guys, we're gonna do the on feet, and then we'll go over the shoes one more time. That will be pretty much it. Alright guys, I got the shoes right here. And overall guys, I do recommend these shoes. They're very good quality. So make sure you go check out BestShoesStore. Everything, they got every single shoe, every hype shoe, Dior's, everything. They got shoes that like haven't even came out yet, like Raging Bulls, just a bunch of shoes that barely just came out or haven't even came out. They just get on just like that. Very good shoe company. Make sure you guys check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe guys. Thanks for watching. Roll the outro.